In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI for research. We'll start right on the homepage of Perplexity AI. Open your browser, head to the site, and you'll see a clean interface with a central prompt box. That's where you'll do most of your work. Type your research question into that box and press enter. You can be simple or specific, both work. If you're just exploring a topic, a broad question is fine. If you already know what you need, add details like a time frame, a region, or key terms to narrow the results. Perplexity will generate a concise answer first, and right beneath it, you'll see clickable numbered citations. These show exactly where the information came from. Use them. Open a few sources, skim for credibility, and check dates so you know you're looking at current, trustworthy material. Treat the answer as a starting point and the citations as your evidence trail. Next, refine your search with the focus control. The default is often labeled web. Click it to toggle specific sources. Choose academic when you want research papers and scholarly material. Pick Reddit or Twitter when you're looking for community discussions or firsthand experiences. Select YouTube to search within video transcripts, which is great for tutorials, talks, and interviews you can scan quickly. You can also bring your own materials into the conversation. Click the paperclip icon or simply drag and drop PDFs, text files, or images. Then ask questions directly about those documents, like summarize the methods section or extract all definitions. This is especially helpful for long reports. Only upload files you're allowed to share and that don't contain sensitive personal data. For tougher topics, turn on Pro Search. This enables a deeper, multi-step search where the AI browses multiple pages, reasons through complex issues, and can correct itself as it goes. It may take a bit longer, but it's ideal when you need synthesis across many sources. As always, review the citations to validate the conclusions. After you get an answer, keep the momentum. You don't need to start over. Ask follow-up questions in the same thread. Request clarifications, comparisons, counterarguments, or more examples, and the AI will build on the existing context to refine your results. When you're ready to share, click the share button at the top right of the thread to generate a link. Send it to teammates or collaborators so they can review the conversation and the cited sources. That's the workflow. With focused queries, smart source toggles, document uploads, pro search, and thoughtful follow-ups, Perplexity AI becomes a powerful research companion.